Have you ever marveled at the vastness of space, filled with billions of galaxies, each teeming with stars and planets? The sheer scale of the universe is mind-boggling, with distances so vast that they are almost incomprehensible. Each star, each planet, each galaxy holds its own mysteries waiting to be discovered. But what if I told you that an equally awe-inspiring universe exists within you? Equally awe-inspiring is the universe within your own skull, your brain. This 3-pound organ is a marvel of biological engineering, consisting of billions of neurons that communicate through trillions of synapses. It's a universe in its own right, with its own complexities and wonders. This intricate organ is the seat of your consciousness, your memories, your very essence. It is where your thoughts are born, where your emotions are felt, and where your personality is shaped. The brain is not just a collection of cells, it is the core of who you are. Just as we explore the mysteries of the cosmos, we can embark on a journey to understand the inner workings of our minds. The quest to understand the brain is one of the most exciting and challenging scientific endeavors. It involves unraveling the complexities of neural networks, understanding how different regions of the brain interact, and discovering how our experiences shape our neural architecture. Our memories, in particular, hold a special fascination. They are the threads that weave the tapestry of our lives, connecting us to our past and shaping our future. Memories are not just static records of past events, they are dynamic and malleable, constantly being updated and reinterpreted. They shape our identities, guide our decisions, and connect us to our past. Every choice we make, every action we take, is influenced by our memories. They are the foundation upon which our sense of self is built. How does this complex process of remembering actually work? How do neurons encode, store, and retrieve information? The process of memory formation involves a delicate interplay of electrical and chemical signals, and understanding it can help us unlock the secrets of the mind. What causes us to forget, and how can we improve our ability to recall information? Forgetting is a natural part of the memory process, but it can be frustrating. By understanding the mechanisms behind forgetting, we can develop strategies to enhance our memory and keep our minds sharp. Join me now as we delve into the fascinating realm of neuroscience to uncover the secrets of memory and discover practical tips to boost your brain power. Together, we will explore the latest research, learn about cutting-edge techniques, and find out how to apply this knowledge to improve our everyday lives. The journey to understanding the brain is a journey to understanding ourselves. Imagine your memory as a two-tiered filing system. This system helps you manage the vast amount of information you encounter daily. The first tier, short-term memory, is like your desk. It's where you place things you need to access quickly and frequently. It holds information you need immediately, like a phone number or a shopping list. These are things you jot down quickly and use right away. This information is held briefly, just long enough for you to use it. Think of it as a temporary holding area for urgent tasks. Like items on your desk that get moved around or discarded, these memories fade quickly without further processing. If you don't actively work to remember them, they disappear. Long-term memory, on the other hand, is like a vast library archive. This is where information is stored for the long haul, meticulously organized and preserved. It stores information for the long haul, your childhood experiences, learned facts, and even how to ride a bike. These memories are deeply ingrained and can be recalled even after many years. This information is organized and categorized for efficient retrieval. Just like a librarian who knows exactly where to find a book, your brain can locate and retrieve long-term memories when needed. Think of well-labeled books and documents stored on countless shelves. Each piece of information has its place, making it easier to find when you need it. The key to transferring information from short-term to long-term memory lies in a process called encoding. This involves actively engaging with the information, such as by highlighting text or taking detailed notes, to ensure it is stored in your long-term memory. The human brain is a wondrous organ, capable of incredible feats of thought, emotion, and creativity. It is the command center of our bodies, controlling everything from our heartbeat to our ability to solve complex problems. But despite its remarkable capabilities, it's often subject to misconceptions and myths that can cloud our understanding of how it truly works. One persistent myth is that we only use 10% of our brains. This idea has been popularized in movies, books, and even by some well-meaning educators. However, this is simply not true. Modern neuroscience has shown that virtually every part of the brain has a known function. brain imaging studies reveal that we use all parts of our brain, even when we're at rest. Different regions may be more active during specific tasks, such as solving a math problem, playing a musical instrument, or focusing before a race. This means that our brain is always working, even if we're not consciously aware of it. Another common myth is that memory works like a video recorder, perfectly capturing and replaying our experiences. In reality, memory is reconstructive. We don't store exact copies of our experiences. Instead, we piece together fragments of information to form a coherent narrative. This process is influenced by our emotions, beliefs, and subsequent experiences, which can alter how we remember events. We piece together fragments of information, often filling in gaps with details that may not be entirely accurate. This explains why eyewitness testimonies can be unreliable, and why our memories of events may differ from someone else's. It's not that people are lying, it's that their brains are reconstructing the past in slightly different ways. This variability in memory can have significant implications, especially in legal settings where eyewitness testimony is often given considerable weight. It's crucial to approach claims about memory with a healthy dose of skepticism, recognizing that our minds are not infallible recording devices. By understanding the true nature of our brains and memories, we can better appreciate the complexity of human cognition and avoid falling prey to common misconceptions. So, the next time you hear a claim about the brain, take a moment to question it and seek out the scientific evidence. Our brains deserve nothing less. Forgetting is a common human experience, often a source of frustration or even embarrassment. But why do we forget? One culprit is interference. When new information competes with existing memories, it can disrupt our ability to recall what we've learned. Imagine trying to remember where you parked your car in a crowded lot if you frequently park in different spots. Another reason for forgetting is retrieval failure. Sometimes the information is stored in our long-term memory, but we lack the right cues to access it. Think of it like having a book in the library but forgetting its title or author. Distractions, stress, and lack of sleep can also impair our ability to encode and retrieve memories effectively. Section 5. Training your brain techniques for enhanced recall. Just as astronauts train rigorously for space missions, we can train our brains to enhance memory function. One effective technique is spaced repetition. Instead of cramming information all at once, review it at increasing intervals. For example, after 1 hour, then 1 day, then 1 week. This spaced-out approach strengthens neural connections and improves long-term retention. Mnemonics are another powerful tool. These memory aids utilize vivid imagery, acronyms, or rhymes to make information more memorable. For instance, the acronym ROIG-BIV helps us remember the colors of the rainbow. By incorporating these techniques into your learning routine, you can empower your brain to store and retrieve information more effectively. Section 6. Fueling the mind. The impact of lifestyle on memory. Our brains, like any complex machine, require the right fuel to function optimally. Diet plays a crucial role in brain health and memory. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats provides the nutrients necessary for optimal cognitive function. Antioxidants found in blueberries, for example, have been linked to improved memory and learning. Sleep is equally vital. During sleep, our brains consolidate memories, transferring information from short-term to long-term storage. Chronic sleep deprivation impairs this process, negatively impacting our ability to form and recall memories. Section 7. Beyond memory. The interconnectedness of brain function. While we focused on memory, it's important to remember that the brain is not compartmentalized. Cognitive functions like attention, focus, and executive function are intricately linked to memory. When we engage in activities that challenge our brains, such as learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or solving puzzles, we strengthen these neural pathways, leading to improvements in overall cognitive function, including memory. Stress management is also crucial. Chronic stress releases cortisol, a hormone that can damage brain cells and impair memory. Engaging in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature can protect our brains and enhance our cognitive abilities. Section 8. Unlocking your potential, a universe of possibilities. Just as the universe is constantly expanding, so too is the potential of the human brain. By understanding the science of memory and adopting brain-boosting habits, we can unlock our cognitive potential and lead richer, more fulfilling lives. Imagine the possibilities: effortlessly remembering names and faces, acing exams without stress, and preserving precious memories for years to come. While we may not all become memory champions, we can all take steps to improve our cognitive abilities and live up to our fullest potential. Section 9. Your Cosmic Journey, a call to explore and remember. As we conclude our exploration of memory, I invite you to embrace the wonder and complexity of your own mind. Just as astronomers continue to make groundbreaking discoveries about the universe, neuroscientists are constantly unraveling the mysteries of the brain. The journey of understanding our minds is a lifelong pursuit, filled with endless possibilities for growth and discovery. I urge you to implement the tips and techniques we've discussed and embark on your own cosmic journey of exploration and remembrance. Remember, the power to unlock your memory lies within you.